if you want to have your custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, open up my files. Now press internal storage. Now tap here and make sure, tap here on this all, and make sure that it's set on all. It should be set on all. Now let's find the loads and let's get our desired sound. Now press move. So go back to internal storage, locate your notifications, tap here and press move here. Great, it's moved. Now let's go back to our settings. Open up your sound and vibration, find your notification sound, and locate your custom notification. And basically, that's it. Now you have your custom notification set, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.